Hey guys, Spooky T here. Today we're going to be talking about what I think is probably one of the most important concepts in trading to master, and that is liquidity. What is liquidity? Why is it important? And most importantly, can we use liquidity and liquidity concepts for us to generate profits in the market? So I have a strategy here that I'm going to share with you. So first what we're going to want to do is go to indicators, and for this one we're going to want to use the twin range filter by Colin MCK, and we're going to want to apply that to your chart. And once you have it up, we're going to want to use these settings right here: 27 for the fast period, 2 for the fast range, 55 slow period, 3 for slow range. So once you got that all set up, we're also going to want to add our liquidity indicator, swing levels and liquidity by Leviathan. This one's pretty good. This is the one that I use. And I like to make sure that we have these boxes all checked, showing the open interest delta, volume, etc. If you want to change the colors, feel free to do so. Alright, so we're going to hit bar replay here, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to zero it out and going to scroll back to a random point in time, so I have no idea what is going to happen, and we'll just pick a random market open to see if we can get some trades. Alrighty, so essentially what liquidity is it's buy and sell orders that are in the market dormant, and what this indicator does is it basically maps out all the open interest in these areas. So you can think of these as people's stop losses if they're short are going to be up around here, and then same down here, people's buy orders or their stop losses are going to be down here in the yellow. So basically the crux of this strategy is we want to see how the market tends to gravitate towards these areas. As you can see right here, went right from this area up to this area. So what we want to do is we want to just see how the market reacts to this area. And what we're going to want to do is, if we get a short signal on the twin range filter after taking some liquidity, what we're going to want to do is we're going to target the opposite side's liquidity. So as you can see, the market basically just went straight for this other area. So we're going to go short here. Could wait for a pullback, but basically we're just going to target this other area, and yep, there you go, just like that. So went from one area of liquidity, aggressively moved down towards these other areas right here. So let's just play it forward a little bit more and we'll see what we got here. So we're getting a long signal now from the twin range filter after interacting with this area. So let's see if this would be a viable trade. Place it under that swing point, and then we'll target this other area of liquidity back up here. So here's another thing. Sometimes when you're using this, you'll see these other areas pop up, and what this basically means is that more orders have entered the market since leaving this area. So what this is essentially people are trying to defend their positions up here. So I don't really consider these to be anything to get spooked out of. I don't really like to take trades off of points that just pop up, because a lot of the times I see that it just they just kind of get eaten up and they go for the main areas. But see right here, we didn't exactly hit our take profit, but it did hit this area and then reacted off of it. So this is probably a point where I'm just gonna go ahead and close the trade. and we'll look for something else. Alright, so we're just coming from this area right here. I know that this one just popped up, but really it's the same pretty much as this one, this same zone. So we'll take this, and this is the closest area, so we'll just have to see how it reacts, if it even wants to go past that area or what it's going to want to do. Someone ended up being a loss, but that's okay. Nothing in trading is 100%, but just using this as a general kind of guideline, like right here, we could have entered long here after it touched this area, etc., etc. See how it plays out. So yeah, that's basically the general idea. Hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, that's great. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.